Open OBS Studio on your computer. In the Sources panel at the bottom, click the ++ icon to add a new source. Select Display Capture from the list. This will allow you to record your entire screen. Click OK, and in the next window, adjust the settings if needed, then click OK again. To capture your voice or external audio, click the plus icon again in the Sources panel. This time, select Audio Input Capture. Click OK, then choose your preferred microphone from the Device drop-down menu. After selecting your device, click OK to confirm. Next, go to the Settings menu in the bottom right corner. In the Output section, choose your recording path, where the video will be saved, and select your preferred recording format, like MP4 or MKV. Click OK to save your settings. Finally, click the Start Recording button on the main screen. OBS will now record both your screen and your audio. That's it. You're now ready to create screen recordings with audio using OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.